This is official review of Jam Pack Cooking channel. It's your boy, Mr. Money Chef Ray.
Hey, Jam Pack Cookers. How y'all doing, baby? It's vacation time. Bienvenido a Mexico. Listen, we stand here at the Dream Riviera. Yeah, Cancun, Mexico, in Spa. So I thought I'd bring y'all up and show y'all where we'll be staying for our vacation. So, starting here, let's go. Look, key card, and we in, baby. Let's go. Welcome to the Jam Pack Cooker Suite. This is it actually. Key down. So let's start here, man. When we come on vacation, we have to. It's a must. The jetted jacuzzi tub. Why wouldn't we? We need the jetted jacuzzi tub. If you don't want the bubbles, check this out. Walk on in. Yes. It's a walk-in cave, man. It's a big, you can throw a party in there if you want to. Cha-cha now, y'all. You got a little seat, you can sit down and, you know, I guess you need to relax. Really get cleaned up, you know. But it works for us, right, Jam Pack Cookers? So, when you guys on vacation, I want to know what you have to have. What's a must for you? When you show up at your spot, in your room, your suite, your condo, whatever you do, what do you need to have to make this a real vacation? I came in and said something about Jerry down, but listen, you have a sitter. Y'all know what the sitter is, man. Too much to drink, hangover, room service. Yes, 2 glasses, dos. They got a phone in the sitter because that's what I need. I have to have that. And you know, you never know what can happen.
Straight out the mud, that's how we came up. Can't look back at it, we've been through too much. It's pacifying, man, it costs so much. I
gotta have my flat screen TV. They made it happen. They put the flat screen TV in. Now these are some of the things that I put it on me to bring. So my favorite champagne, Ace of Spades. Gotta have me a Cubana. You'll see me huffing and puffing on these during this vacation. And of course, my oversized cutter. Because if I want to go up a notch on my cigars, I want that option. I'm a Pisces, guys. I gotta be next to some water. Agua. Come on out here and check out this view. Yes, that's right. We out there for a garden view next to the ocean. Yes, it smells lovely. I can come out here and just think of all the Jam Pack cookers in the world. It's enough relaxation. California King for Texas King. El Patron. So we have to do the bed test. It feels comfortable, but you never know until you. That's a comfortable bed. We can get some rest in that bed, but we don't need too much rest. It's relaxation everywhere. So we're doing nothing, no hard work, no manual labor. Everything is good. So they have a sitting area also. Now this is not something that I have to have, but it was optional and I opted in. So I like to come in and sit. Hey, Jam Pack Cookers, how are y'all? Hey, Chef Ray, Mr. Money, what you doing? Yeah. And this one, now I've been to a lot of resorts out in Mexico. I've been even in the inner city. I've been to Mexico City, but when I come, I never see this. This was a split wall. So right now we have it wide open. But if you need more privacy, guess what? Turn one and they all close. That's neat. But right now we wide open. It's vacation, baby. It's Chef Reynaldo, Mr. Dinero, right here on Jam Pack Cooking. They brought my bags up. I have to say glasses to the Dreams Riviera, because guess what, guys? They bought us a bottle of champagne. We will be popping the bubbly. It's not my favorite, but it'll work. Like I say, you know, I got my Ace of Spades. Oh, and let me show you guys this. If I come to your establishment, I expect for you to have two things. I need my coffee in the morning and I need my mini bar. Come on in here, guys, let me show you. So they took a list down, Dreams Riviera. When you come to Cancun, make sure you book with them. They took a list down on what I like, some of the stuff. So I told them I want OJ, apple juice, Coca-Cola, I drink Corona. I drink a lot of Corona, you guys know that, Blaxican. And they bought me a bottle of wine. And of course, agua. Every day, when I wake up and drink all those soft drinks, I leave out, come back, and they refresh, they refill. Every day they refill them. The Dreams Riviera, and this is it's a nice location. I mean, it gets the job done. I stayed at the top, I stayed at the bottom, and I'm gonna have to say out of a 1 a 10, I give it a 8. It's about 8, and that's including the service. I always make sure you got great service wherever you're spending your money, your hard-earned money. Make sure you got your great service. So, Jam Pack Cookers, right now, you got a job to do. Go down in that comment. Let Chef Renato, Mr. Donato know, what do you have to have on your vacation? Right now, you're on vacation in Mexico with me and all of my Jam Pack Cookers. Listen, I love you for watching. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell, because we finna go Todo Loco on Jam Pack Cooking, baby. Bye, y'all.